2023 Triumph Scrambler 900 First Look. The motorcycle is unchanged. Say farewell to the Triumph Street Scrambler and welcome the 2023 Triumph Scrambler 900 to the fold. The motorcycle is unchanged, save new colorways for 23. Jet Black returns, joined by Matt Khaki and the striking two-tone Carnival Red and Jet Black paint jobs. Despite the name, it remains primarily a street motorcycle. However, should it be called in for some light-duty off-pavement action, the 19-17-inch wheel combo comes in handy. Keep in mind that the wire spoke wheels are shod with Metzeler Tourance tires, which prefer tarmac to dirt. The 899 cubic centimeters vertical twin with up pipes returns. It delivers a healthy 59 ft-lbs of torque at a modest 3,250 rpm, with a peak of 64 horsepower coming at 7,250 rpm. This makes the 2023 Triumph Scrambler 900 an easy ride, as you can either short-shift the 5-speed transmission or let it wind up. We have tested the Street Scrambler. 2023 Triumph Scrambler 900 specs. Engine type: vertical twin W/270 degree crank. Bore X stroke: 84.6 by 80.0 mm. Displacement: 899 cubic centimeters. Compression ratio: 11.0 to 1. Maximum power: 64 horsepower at 7,250 rpm. Maximum torque: 59 ft-lbs at 3,250 rpm. Valve train: SOHC 4 VPC. Cooling: liquid. Exhaust: brushed 2-into-2 twin brushed stainless steel silencers. Transmission: 5-speed. Clutch: wet multiplate with assist and slip functions. Final drive: O-ring chain. Chassis. Frame: tubular steel twin cradle. Front suspension: travel, non-adjustable 41 mm KYB cartridge forks, 4.7 inches. Rear suspension: travel, spring preload adjustable KYB shocks, 4.7 inches. Wheels: wire spoke steel. Front wheel: 19 by 2.50. Rear wheel: 17 by 4.25. Tires: Metzeler Tourance. Front tire: 190x19. Rear tire: 150/70x17. Front brake: 310 mm floating disc with Brembo 4-piston caliper. Rear brake: 255 mm disc with Nissan 2-piston floating caliper. ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 56.8 inches. Rake: 25.6 degrees. Trail: 4.3 inches. Seat height: 31.1 inches. Tank capacity: 3.2 gallons. Estimate fuel consumption: 55 miles per gallon. Curb weight: 492 pounds. Colors: Jet Black, Carnival Red and Jet Black, Matt Khaki.